but I should back the video. Today we'll be playing Foxy Tycoon Season 2 new update. Here we go. Let's get this ready. And today is my birthday, so I might have you close one video. So we have Season 2. See all the trophies. I didn't know you could get a battle pass or a pass just to get colors. But the exciting thing is, we got a code called Season 2, not Season 1, but Season 2. There you get it, you cash out. Drive that Bugatti over there. So it's the same thing, but you gotta buy this battle pass, get bonus awards. Are those wheels? Battle pass is 400 Robux. The remaining will be 1. I just need 1 more, I think. Oh shoot, it glitched. This is one of the most beautiful cars ever. Oh. Still my fastest than the Bugatti though. Just look at the side of it. You already know it's beautiful. You guys got the same car? Yeah, they do. Oh. Yep, so that's what Season 2 is about. But I've hit all my money back from a couple weeks ago. So I'm ready to buy the brand new car. We have Class 2 and the first class. Hold up, guys. Let me just rejoin, alright? Okay, guys, I'm buying it. Yo, it is. I thought this was a Lamborghini. Mercedes next. I'll buy these two next video. But speaking about next video, where's that car? Class 2. Ooh. It's the back of it. Right. Does it opens? I thought that the thing would open. Yes, this thing stuck to it. Does any car have that? This car looks mad familiar. I'm just thinking if it's a Lamborghini or not. What cool colors can it be in? Like, I seen it in red. Kind of beautiful. How come it's just black and yellow? I might just add the wheels in black then. Look, it's just like a Lambo too. But yeah, I think this will be the end of the video. I'll be doing a lot of these races to collect. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey guys, it's your boy Joshua. This is the end of the video. If you want, subscribe, watch more videos. We catch you later.